Hello students, in this video I will solve question number 8 from exercise number 12.3. Let's see. In figure depicts a racing track whose left and right ends are semicircular. It is clearly shown in the figure. And what to find out here? The distance between the two inner parallel line segments is 60 meter and they are each 106 meter long if the track is 10 meter wide. Find the distance around the track along its inner edge. Second part is find the area of a track. Given that length of these parallel sides is 106 meter from here to here, and here also 106 meter, and distance between these parallel side given as 60 meter. This one 60 meter, here also 60 meter. These are the given measurements. And width of track, width of this blue colored one, width of this track given 10 meter. Now let's see in first part what they're asking. The distance around the track along its inner edge. So simple. If you observe carefully, there are two semicircular ends. I will use a different color here. Let's see this color, orange color I am using for both the semicircles, and here also. As we know, circumference of circle is 2 pi r, and what is circumference of semicircle is pi r. So this will be length of this orange colored curve is pi r, and this one also pi r. In first part they are asking you to find out the distance around the track along its inner edge. Let's find out. Before solving first part, let us write the data. Radius of inner semicircular ends on both sides are equals to 60 by 2, that is equals to 30 meter. Therefore, circumference of inner semicircular ends is equals to pi r, that is equals to 22 by 7 multiply by 30, nothing but 660 upon 7 meter. Therefore, total length of inner track, total length of inner track is equals to, length of parallel sides is 106 meter. So I am writing here. Therefore, total length of inner track equals to 106 plus 106 plus 660 upon 7 plus 660 upon 7, because there are two semicircular ends. 212 plus 1320 upon 7. LCM is 7, then 212 into 7, 1484 plus 1320, that is equals to 2804 upon 7 meter. Let's see second part. In second part, they are asking you to find out area of track. See this figure carefully. and here let me use another color. From here to here it is rectangle, and from here to here also it's rectangle, and there are two semicircular ends. So but we need only shaded portion. From outer semicircle, if we subtract inner semicircle, then we'll get the area of shaded semicircular shaded portion. Let's see how to find out. Firstly, let's write the data. Given length L equals to 106 meter and breadth given, breadth or a width of this track is equals to 10 meter, and outer diameter is equals to 60 plus 10 plus 10. Width should be added above and below because width of the track is 10 meter equals to 80 meter. Therefore outer radius is equals to 80 by 2, that is 40 meter. Now I will write inner diameter is 60 meter, so inner radius will be 60 by 2, nothing but 30 meter. Therefore area of track is equals to, now observe carefully, let me shade, this is in the shape of rectangle, so I'll apply area of rectangle formula. There is one more such type of shape, so I can write this one as 2 multiply area of rectangle plus there are two semicircular ends, but we need only shaded portion. That's why I can write like this: 2 multiply area of semicircle is pi r square by 2, pi big R square by 2 minus pi small r square by 2, because we need only shaded portion. Area of rectangle is length into breadth plus, and here common factor is 1 by 2, and pi also common factor, big R square minus small r square. Big R is outer radius and small r is inner radius. 2 multiply given length is 106 multiply width is 10. Here 2 get cancelled. Pi value is 22 by 7. Here we can apply a square minus b square formula. A square minus b square equals to a plus b multiply a minus b. According to that, we can write r plus r multiply outer radius minus inner radius. And here we will get, after multiplying, 2120 meter square plus 22 by 7 multiply outer radius is 40 and inner radius is 30. So 40 plus 30 multiply 40 minus 30. 2120 plus 22 by 7 into 70 into 10. 7 ones are 7 tens are. Now we will get 2120 plus 2200, that is equals to 4320 meter square. This is the required area of track.